The Coega Special Economic Zone, or SEZ, situated in the Nelson Mandela Bay, is the right place for your business's growth at the right time for strategic investment in the region and Africa, enabling you to make the right choice for being on the cutting edge of future developments. We welcome with open doors all medium, large and mega industrial developments to Africa's leading SEZ. With two well-equipped ports forming the gateway to global accessibility, trade and investment, facilities are available for the handling of all commodities, bulk, general and container cargo. The Coega Special Economic Zone, including the Nelson Mandela Bay Logistics Park in Uitenhage, is managed by the Coega Development Corporation and falls next to the modern deep-water port of Coega. This massive 9,003-hectare Coega SEZ has dedicated clusters and zones for the development of metals, chemicals, automotive, both renewable and conventional energy, agro-processing and business process outsource sectors. Global reach requires global access, and the Coega's SEZ's linkage with the strategic port of Coega has not only enabled such entry, but solidified its global relations on one hand and its prowess in regional and continental development on the other. Without the port of Coega, it would have been impossible for the CDC to expand into sectors which require modern port facilities. The connection has allowed the Coega SEZ to make successful forays into several exciting sectors in the South African landscape. Coega has embarked on large infrastructure development programs across South Africa to address areas in much-needed development. The construction of schools, hospitals, harbours and clinics are built within previously disadvantaged communities. These projects have created employment for hundreds of people who have received formal training as part of the much-needed skills development within the region. Coega, as the #1 investment destination with unlimited potential, has a number of value propositions which create global competitiveness, such as incentives, tax, rebates, and customs-controlled areas. The Coega SEZ is built for business, with purpose-built infrastructure and location-specific assets for manufacturing, including beneficiation of export goods, investment and local socio-economic growth, skills development and job creation. The Coega SEZ is boosted by the ease of doing business in South Africa and by SEZ advantages and incentives. Our world-class infrastructure, strategically located at the crossroads of east-west trade routes globally and within South Africa, is one to be admired. Coupled with the presence of the world's major shipping and logistics and a growing number of deep-water ports with container, bulk and break-bulk terminals, makes South Africa and Coega a viable and logical investment destination. Our quick availability of land, customized for heavy, medium and light industries, serviced sites and fast-track construction of factories, warehouses and office complexes on 9,003 hectares of land makes us an ideal investor location. Coega SEZ boasts world-class infrastructure, the plug-and-play model which enables it to both attract and retain investors in the SEZ. In the initial years, the CDC spent resources ensuring the Coega SEZ has the appropriate physical and municipal structures to adequately serve its tenants. Throughout the SEZ, there are purpose-built points to which investors can easily connect, giving tenants pre-allotted land that is linked to roads, electricity and water supplies. An additional service Coega offering is total solutions for construction, spatial development and SMME development within the Coega SEZ core development area. Coega offers a number of special products and services such as business processing outsourcing facilities, labor solutions and training through Coega Human Capital Solutions, Coega Corporate Travel, which provides travel solutions for clients and the CDC. Special Economic Zone, Nelson Mandela Bay Logistics Park, Infrastructure Program Management, Corporate Social Investment, Coega Business Services, which includes consulting and business re-engineering services, and the Vulindlela Accommodation and Conference Centre. The purpose-built Nelson Mandela Bay Logistics Park, managed by the Coega Development Corporation, is well positioned for component manufacturers to serve both the neighbouring Volkswagen and Isuzu plants and the rest of South Africa. Direct links connected to the national road network with a 4-lane highway join the logistics park to the Coega SEZ. The Coega SEZ is recognized as being in the ideal position for original equipment manufacturers wanting to reach the emerging African market. The future of the Eastern Cape is being rewritten by Coega, which is not only pouring billions into industrial and infrastructure development, but is also giving back to the province through high-impact corporate social investment projects that are changing thousands of lives. Coega invests extensive resources to various deserving causes, directly benefiting over 8,000 people with a ripple effect into their families and communities.
Coega CSI initiatives are tailor-made to meet certain provincial shortfalls by focusing on skills, education, training, and human development. This focus ensures that Coega is not only giving back to communities, but is equipping the people of those communities with long-term skills and giving them access to livelihood opportunities that ultimately feed back into and stimulate economic participation within the region. There is a seamless weave of relationships in place, which ensures our CSI is high impact and long-lasting rather than fleeting and simply charitable. We do not endorse short-term donations or limited CSI, as it is neither sustainable nor truly impactful. We have expanded our CSI reach over the past year, with a core focus on scholarships and bursaries, our Maths and Science program, and the broad driver training program. In the future, Coega will focus on developing its latest programs, which include the Maths and Science Academy and absorption of people with disabilities in the workplace, as well as various training initiatives. Our focus on sustainability also ensures that our CSI filters through our entire organization, through job creation in our internship program, environmental protection, heritage and culture alignment, training and skills development, business partnerships, enterprise development, and continuous engagement with communities.
Through strategic linkages, investments and partnerships, as well as internal organizational specialization, the Coega SEZ is opening up opportunities that will drive regional industrial development, diversify and expand industrial bases, and create direct upstream employment in less cyclical sectors. One investment destination, unlimited potential. The Coega Special Economic Zone.